Hello everyone from the Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today we will make oven roasted potatoes, a fabulous dish for vegetarians and vegans. We would greatly appreciate it if you could support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and not forgetting to turn on the notification bell. Let's get started then. Ingredients: 6 medium-sized potatoes and some salt. First we wash our potatoes. Then we cut our potatoes in half to equal sizes. We place the cut potatoes neatly on a baking tray. We sprinkle salt over the potatoes as much as we want. We put our potatoes in the oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. We continue to bake until they are golden brown. As you can see, our potatoes are now ready. Enjoy your meal. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments. You can also share your cooking experiences and requests with us. Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button. Wishing to see you on beautiful and healthy days. Take care, stay healthy.